Kung hanggang ngayon meron ka pa ring tikoy, why not gawin natin tong buchi? Hey Jarelskis! Welcome to my new series, Honest Takes, where I show you common mistakes na madalas hindi sinasabi at pinapakita sa harap ng camera. Start by cutting our tikoy with our honest take number 1 na may plastic pala ito at dapat tanggalin bago hiwain. Continue by portioning our tikoy with our honest take number 2 na dapat matalas ang kutsilyo dahil mahirap i-cut ang tikoy. Na kahit hirap na tayo sa mapurol na kutsilyo, we need to cut the tikoy into cubes. So once na-cut na natin yung tikoy into cubes, we need to set this aside. Bala ko sanang maglagay ng cheese in between, kaya nag-start na rin ako mag-cut ng processed cheese into cubes. Now set the cheese aside, then on a bowl with hot water, we put our tikoy that we cut into cubes. And then once lumambot na siya, lagyan na natin ng cheese in between. Honest take number 3, hindi kinaya ng tikoy lagyan ng cheese in between. Now on a separate plate, lagyan natin ng generous amount ng sesame seeds, then start coating your tikoy. Honest take number 4, matagal kapag isa-isa kaya sabay-sabay na lang. Now we start cooking by adding oil on the pan. Honest take number 5, dapat deep fried to. Pero dahil wala tayong deep fryer, tsagain natin by frying as usual. After frying, now we plate. Honest take number 6, tatlo lang ang nabuong maayos kaya ito lang ang ipapakita natin sa harap ng camera. Then add condensed milk for a sweeter taste. And there you have it, you have your buchi made with tikoy. And hope you enjoyed this new Honest Take series. Cheers!